guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I will be doing a makeup look for you guys, and this is the look that I created for you all. It's a nice reddish tone look and I really like it. I am using the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette, and I am incorporating this palette on my eyes today. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the face. I'll be going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Just makes everything so hydrated. Let's go in with the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer because I could really use some of this. I am priming with my Soft Ochre Paint Pot from MAC. For the eyes, going into my ColourPop All I See Is Magic, and voila, this is such a pretty palette. I've been using it for some time now and I just love it so much. So I really hope that the back name is the same as the palette. So if I say it all wrong, I'm so sorry, but I'm just trying to go off by what I see on the back. Start off with this one is, I'm thinking it's Big Spoon. Putting that as the transition shade. It's just so pigmented. I just love it. For the outer corner, I'm going in with this shade called Pitter Patter. Put that on the outer corner. I want to cut the eyes a little bit, so I'm going in with my Soft MAC Ochre Paint Pot right from the front to the kind of towards the center of the lid. Going in with this dark brown shade called Go Wish. Putting that right here and more towards the inner of my eyes. Putting it right there. The same thing to the other eye. Going back and blend in with the crease shade. All about the blending. The inner corners will go in with this shade called Now in Zen. Put that from the inner corner. Okay, let's stop with the eyes for now and we'll jump back onto it, but let's go ahead and finish the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and conceal first with my NARS concealer. Cover things up with this one. Just like to go with the under eyes on this. Spot conceal some areas and also around my nose. I finally got my hands on the NARS Radiant Longwear Concealer, and let's go ahead and use some of that on my face. Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I just like this specifically for the under eye, just to brighten it. Put some brightness under here. And then back to the Maybelline powder. Well, I have my Becca Under Eye Brightening Powder right here, ready to go. Just really gives my eye that brightness, which I really, really like. Like it. And let's go ahead and finish these brows off camera, and I'll be back. Boom. Eyebrows done. Now let's go on and finish the rest of the face. We are contouring with my Hamptons Weekenders from Tarte. Go ahead and cut those cheeks. Give some bronzer on the top here. And for blush, go in my Tarte blush in the shade Party. For highlight, I'm going with an oldie but goodie, the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. I forgot how good it was, honestly. All I really want to do is add a wing liner. Then I want to add some purple wing liner. Right over top of the black wing liner. Underneath the eyes, I'm just gonna go and add the shade Peter Patter. So go into the brown shade here called Go Wish. Some of that underneath the eyes. Going in with my Tarte cruelty-free lashes in the shade Goddess. For the inner corners, we are finishing off with this shade called Treat Yourself. For lips, going with this mini lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Brandy. Yeah, this completes my look and I really loved it. And I really love this palette so much. If I can find my wit. This palette is a dream. I just love the packaging. It's so cute. I love these little sparkliness inside the palette. And the colors are just so pretty. It's ColourPop, so ColourPop is affordable. I think this was $16, I think, on the website. Don't quote me on that, but I did got it for cheaper because I got it on Cyber Monday, so I did get it cheaper. But the palette is just so gorgeous. Like I just love the pigmentation and the color payoff that this palette gave me. I did not expect it to be so good, but I love it overall. I love the whole look I created. It's really reddish and grungy looking and edgy, which is what I really like in my makeup. I just like a nice pop of color And of course, I love the way the eyeliner turned out, like the purple on top of the actual black wing liner. Other than that, I have nothing else to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know I sure did. And yeah, if you guys would like to see any more different videos, please let me know and I will do them for you all. But for now, that's all that I have. Please, if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!